G'day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So just a quick unboxing video for you today. We're going to be unboxing the brand new DJI Osmo Nano. I'm actually pretty excited about this camera. I'm a big fan of these small wearable cameras, and something like this is going to be very useful. Now by the time you're watching this unboxing video, I did get early access to it, so I already have a full review up on my channel. I will include a link to that review down in the description of this video. Now there's 128 gigabytes of storage on this model. Some basic specs of this camera: it has a 1/1.3 inch sensor. It's capable of 4K 60. It has 10-bit color, capable of D-Log-M, and it fully supports their magnetic mounting ecosystem. Now if you want to know all the features and capabilities of this camera, definitely go and watch my review. But with all that said, let's get right into it here and check it out. Now, I was a really big fan of the Action 2, so I'm really glad that they've continued with that style of camera. Let's go ahead and take everything out here. Little information card there with a QR code on it. Some stickers. There's the camera there, but let's take a look at some of the accessories that come with it first. So here we have a little information package, quick start guide. First thing we have here, little suction cup on a magnetic mount. And I do believe these magnetic mounts are now reversible. And that unscrews, has just a 1/4 underneath, so you can attach this to a tripod, extension pole, or other types of accessories. You can see here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And here we have a magnetic pendant. This allows you to wear this around your neck and get some really interesting point of view shots. So that'll be handy. We'll be testing all this stuff out in my review. This next item here, I believe, is a hat clip. And yes, indeed, it is a hat clip. Again, magnetic mount on it. And you can clip this to the bill of a cap. So if you wear your cap frontwards, but if you're a person who is wearing a hat backwards, you can still slip it up underneath. So handy accessory. It's kind of a little case for it, a little protective case. You can see it still has the magnetic pass-through charging there. So let's go ahead here and we'll take a look at the camera. So the camera comes in two components. They have their multifunctional vision dock, which essentially is like a battery. It's got a preview screen and can be used for other purposes. So there we go there. And here is the camera module. So this actually has a nice big sensor, 1/1.3 inch, capable of 4K 60. So this is going to be a great little camera if you need something small and minimal but still want to capture high quality video. This is going to be a great option. If you want to expand its capabilities further, you just attach it to the screen. Now most likely there's going to be some firmware that needs to be updated, but let's go ahead here and power it on. A lot of times these cameras that allow you to use it 5 times without updating the firmware or activating it. And there we go there. It's got a very familiar feel when it comes to the menu system, very similar to their other action cameras. And as you can see there, it even supports the DJI wireless mic ecosystem, so that's a nice feature. And on the side here, you can see we have our USB-C port for charging, and we have a memory card slot to expand the memory. And what's really nice with it is, as you can see here, when we have the camera separated, the vision dock basically becomes a remote. We get a live preview on it, and we can use it to change settings and start and stop recording. So definitely a really nice feature. So yeah, if this is a camera you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed, as I will be covering it fully over the coming weeks and months. And as mentioned, I already have a full review uploaded to my YouTube channel. It's going to offer a lot more information about the camera and a lot of sample footage, and that way you know what this camera is capable of. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.